In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and contact a chess coach on chess.com. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, how to narrow your choices, and how to reach out confidently to the right coach for your goals. First, head to the chess.com website. On the left side menu, hover your mouse over the community section. From the drop-down, click on coaches. If you prefer shortcuts, you can go directly to chess.com/coaches in your browser. That page is the central hub where coaches list their profiles, experience, rates, and availability. Once you're there, start by browsing. Scroll through the list and take your time. You'll often see active coaches near the top, which can be a helpful signal if you want someone who's currently teaching and responsive. Open a few profiles that catch your eye. Look for coaching style, typical lesson format, and any notes on specialties like opening preparation, endgame fundamentals, or tactics training. Keep in mind that a grandmaster isn't necessarily the best match for a beginner, and a strong club-level coach might be perfect if you're just starting out. Fit matters more than title. To refine your search, use the filters on the page. You can narrow by country, language, and skill level. This is especially useful if you prefer a coach who speaks your native language or operates in your time zone, or if you want someone who specializes in your rating range. Filtering this way helps you find a coach who communicates clearly with you and tailors lessons to your current level. When you find a promising coach, click into their profile and send them a message. Introduce yourself briefly with your rating or experience level and your goals, like improving opening understanding or reducing blunders and time trouble. Ask about their teaching methods, the structure of a typical lesson, and pricing. These details vary from coach to coach, so a short conversation can clarify expectations. This is also a good moment to ask about scheduling, what platform they use for lessons, and whether they provide homework or game analysis between sessions. If you're still exploring, consider chess.com's Play Coach feature for real-time, game-based guidance. It can be a practical way to get immediate feedback while you play. You can also check the chess.com forums for community recommendations and experiences, which often highlight coaches who communicate well and deliver consistent results. That's it. Go to the coaches page, browse and filter, select a good fit, and reach out with clear questions. With a little preparation, you'll find a coach who meets your needs and helps you make steady, confident progress.